Today, we will dive into an exciting topic that can help you turn your online presence into a source of income. That's right, we're talking about how to earn money from Google AdSense. Whether you're a blogger, a content creator, or a website owner, this is a must-know strategy for unlocking passive income streams. So, if you are ready to learn the ins and outs of AdSense, make sure to stick around till the end of this video. During this video, we will learn how to calculate the average income you can make with Google AdSense. What are the AdSense monetization requirements for your websites, etc.? What is Google AdSense? And how does it work? Alright, let's start at the beginning. What exactly is Google AdSense? Well, think of it as a partnership between you and Google. AdSense allows you to monetize your content by displaying relevant ads on your platform. The best part? You earn money whenever your audience engages with these ads. Now, let's move on to the juicy part: how to actually make money from Google AdSense. To kickstart your AdSense journey, you'll need to have quality content. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or website, valuable content is key. The more engaging and original your content is, the better chances you have of attracting a loyal audience. Let me show you some example of AdSense ad examples. On YouTube, if you try to play any random video, most of the time you see these types of video ads. This time Disney Plus is running ads here. After that, the actual video starts running. Also, I can show you a random website that uses AdSense. If you visit the website carefully, you will see many ads in some specific places. This is one of the ads here. If you put the cursor on the ads, you will see the links here, which indicate AdSense ads. If any visitor watches this ad, then the website owner will make some money. That is called engagement. You can also make an estimation of earnings by your website visitors. Let's do a math. Here select North America and choose a category like finance. Then if you click calculate, they will show you the estimated number of income. Here it says, if you have 50,000 visitors per month from North America like the USA or Canada, then you can make approximately $20,000 annually, which is quite good. Also, one thing they disclosed here is this is just an estimation because the income can be more or less based on advertisement type and value. Also, you can see that, if your visitors are from Asia, in the finance category you will make a little less. You can see estimated earnings by using this calculator here. So, how will you get this 50,000 visitors per month? You have to write content or articles on specific topics. If Google see that your content is quality content, then they will show your article at the top. Let me show you an example. We will search for a topic or keyword in Google. You see, the website we just analyzed is shown here. And when the visitor read your content, they will engage with your ad, and you will make money. So that's the simple process to earn money by Google AdSense. Once you've got your content game on point, head over to the Google AdSense website and sign up. The process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information, and Google will review your application. If approved, you'll get access to your AdSense account. Let me walk through the AdSense sign-up process. If you don't have an account, just click on Get Started. Then select a Google account where you want to use AdSense. On the next page you will see these simple agreements, just fill up them. If you have a website, then paste it here. You can add a website anytime, so you can skip it too. And choose the payment country. Under that, just agree with their agreements after reading this. After that short process, your AdSense account creation will be completed. Your first step is done. Secondly, you have to care about one thing. What are the conditions to get approval for AdSense monetization of your website? Google AdSense's official support team didn't give any specific traffic requirements. But from my experience, I will share the conditions with you. From my experience, I saw that if you have a website, then you must need at least 60 or more visitors per day from Google, and more than 30 SEO optimized content. Also, your website must not contain any illegal matters. After getting AdSense approval, you will see this type of interface. Your each day's income from this dashboard. After getting approval in AdSense, here comes the real magic: optimizing your AdSense strategy to maximize your earnings. It's all about ad placement. You want to position your ads where they can naturally catch your audience's attention without disrupting their experience. Like this, and this. And there you have it, a crash course on how to earn money from Google AdSense. It's a powerful tool that can turn your passion into profit. So, start creating valuable content, optimize your strategy, understand your audience, and keep refining your approach based on data. Now, it's your turn to take action. Let me know in the comments below how you plan to integrate AdSense into your online journey. And, of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep hustling and keep earning. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to like and subscribe to our channel.